The Kansas State School for the Blind presents the Yoga and Mindfulness Challenge 2023, Day 4. This video has audio description and subtitles. Hello and welcome to Day 4 of the Yoga and Mindfulness Challenge. Let's start by talking about exactly what mindfulness means. Being mindful is being present in the moment, being fully aware of what's going on, not letting the overwhelm of circumstances or your surroundings control you. Today's mindfulness practice is listening. You'll be listening to the deep, rich sound of a bell. Listen for the changes that you hear in the sound. Listen for the sound as it starts to fade away. And then listen for the silence that is coming at the end of the sound. During the silence, listen for the bell to sound again. Pick a comfortable spot to sit. I'm going to sit on the floor with my legs crossed, my hands on my knees. You can gently close your eyes. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just pay attention. Pay attention to it and try to gently bring it back to the sound of the bell. And remember, listen for the changes and listen for the silence. We'll do this for 3 minutes. You ready? Last one. Very nice. I love using sound to relax my mind and my body. Today's yoga practice is chair yoga. So please find a chair that is sturdy, one that has a back, preferably one that does not have arms, and definitely not one that has rollers. That would not work for today. Okay, are you ready to meet me on your chair? Standing behind your chair, place your hands on the chair's back. Take a step back, bring your feet side by side, shoulder width apart. Keeping your hands on the chair's back, bend from your waist and slowly lower your head and shoulders toward the floor. Try to keep your back flat. If you want a deeper stretch, walk your feet back until your arms are completely straight and allow your head to hang between your arms. Keep your hands on the chair. Roll back up to standing as you walk toward the chair. Inhale as you lift your arms out, up over your head, stretching those fingertips to the sky. Exhale, bring your hands to the chair's back. Again, take a step back, feet are shoulder width apart, keeping your hands on the chair's back. Bend from the waist and slowly lower your head and shoulders toward the floor. Your back is flat, and you can walk your feet back a little bit to get that deeper stretch. Keep your hands on the chair. Roll back up to standing as you walk back toward the chair. Inhale as you lift your arms out and up. Exhale, bring your hands back down to your sides. Walk around to the front of your chair and have a seat. Your hands in your lap. Slide your hands toward your knees and grip the tops of your knees. Keeping your hands on your knees, inhale as you lift your chin toward the sky, pressing your chest forward in cow pose. Exhale as you tuck your chin toward your chest, rounding your back into cat pose. Inhale as you lift your chin and press it toward the sky in cow. Exhale and bring your chin down, forehead toward your belly in cat pose. Return to center. We will now move to a seated side bend, Sukhasana. With your right hand, reach over to the left and grasp the left side of your chair seat. Reach your left arm out to the left, up toward the sky and over your head to the right, palm toward the right, bending your torso to the right. Hold the stretch. Bring your body back to center. Return your right hand to your right side. Lower your left hand to the outside of your right thigh for a seated spinal twist, Sukhasana. With your right hand, hold on to the right chair edge or the back of the chair and turn your face to look over your right shoulder. Release the pose and turn back to the front, hands by your sides. With your left hand, reach over to the right and grasp the right side of the chair seat. Keeping your bottom and your hips centered on the chair, reach your right arm out to the right, then up toward the sky, over your head and to the left, palm facing toward the left. Hold this stretch. Bring your body back to center. Return your left hand to your left side and lower your right hand to the outside of your left thigh for that seated spinal twist. With your left hand, hold on to the left chair edge or the back of the chair. Turn your face to look over your left shoulder. Release the pose and turn back to the front, hands by your sides. Now that you've gotten really good at half sun salutations, Surya Namaskar on the mat, let's try them on the chair. Make sure your feet are hip width apart. The soles of your feet are solidly on the floor in front of you. Lift your straight arms out to the sides and up toward the sky. Glue your palms together. Slide your palms in front of your body and toward the floor as you fold forward, bringing your chest onto your knees, your hands to the floor, and you can just allow your head to hang there. Now place your hands on your knees. Lift your head up into flat back as you press through your arms. Bring your chest toward your knees as you fall forward once again. Hands to the floor. Now lift your arms out to the sides and up as you lift your torso up. Glue your palms together. Bring your hands to heart center. You just finished your first seated half sun salutation. Let's do that again. Lift your straight arms out to the sides and up toward the sky. Glue your palms together overhead. Slide your palms down in front of your body toward the floor as you fold your upper body forward, bringing your chest onto your knees, hands on the floor. Place your hands on your knees. Lift that head up and come into flat back. Bring your chest back down to your knees as you fold forward again, hands to the floor. Now lift your arms out to the sides and up, all the way overhead. glue your palms together and bring your hands to heart center. Last time with fewer descriptions, and we'll add the breath here. Inhale as you lift your straight arms out and up. Exhale, palms together and down as you fold forward, chest to knees, hands to the floor. Inhale, hands to knees and come to flat back. Exhale, chest back to knees as you fold forward. Inhale, arms out and up as you lift your hands overhead. Glue your palms together. Exhale, bring your palms to heart center. Now for a seated pigeon pose. Lift your right knee toward your chest. Use your hands on your shin to pull that knee toward your chest. Place the outside of your right ankle on top of your left knee. Place your right hand on your right knee and your left hand on your right foot, and allow that right knee to fall open to the right. Grip your knee and foot with your hands, and bending from your hips, gently let your chest and your head fall forward, keeping your back as flat and straight as possible. Hold here, and you can fold a little bit deeper if you'd like. Lift your head back up to seated position. Use your left hand to grip your right foot and slide it off your left knee and back to the floor. Now lift your left knee and bring that knee toward your chest. Place the outside of your left ankle on top of your right knee. Place your left hand on your left knee, your right hand on your left foot. Allow that knee to fall open to the left. Grip your knee and foot with your hands, and bending from your hips, gently let your chest and head fall forward, keeping your back straight and flat. Hold here. And you can come forward just a little bit more if that's what you want to do today. Lift your head back up. Use your right hand to grip your left foot and slide it off your right knee and back to the floor. Our last pose is a forward fold. Wiggle your bottom just a few inches from your seat back so you can extend your legs on the floor in front of you. Keep a slight bend in your legs and make sure you're still sitting safely in your chair so it won't slide out from under you. I'm going to turn to the side to show the profile of what I'm doing. With your legs extended, inhale as you lift your arms out to the sides and up over your head. Exhale as you slowly bend forward from your hips, bringing your chest close to your thighs, your head close to your knees, and reach down to your toes with your fingertips. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale as you lift your torso, your arms go out and up toward the sky. Exhale as you slowly lower your arms to your sides. One last time. Inhale as you lift your arms out to your sides and up to the sky. Exhale as you fall forward over your extended legs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale as you lift your torso, arms go up to the sky, press your palms together, and then lower them to heart center. Fantastic job with today's chair yoga practice, and I thank you for joining me on day 4 of the Yoga and Mindfulness Challenge. I wish you a peaceful heart and a calm mind. The logo for the Kansas State School for the Blind, a flying blue eagle in the center of a red and yellow sunflower. Fade to black.